Compatible with Dodge Ram 2505.9L Diesel 2003 to 2009, Ram 3505.9L Diesel 2003 to 2007, Ram 1508.3L 2004 to 2006. Do not remove the soft liner adhered to the filter. This is a pre-filter designed to keep larger debris from clogging the main filtration media. Removal of pre-filter may damage the filter. Replaces CHRYSLER 05029703A, 0530327000A, 5,029,703A, 53,032,700A, 53,032,700 AAHD, 53,032,700 AB, FRAM California 9589, PUROLATOR A45512, Wix 42846, 49062. Improve performance by changing your vehicle's air filter at least every 12,000 miles, or as recommended in your car owner's manual, to ensure your vehicle's engine has the clean and efficient airflow it needs for fast acceleration and power. Avoid increased engine wear caused by dirty air intake filters that may allow damaging particles to get into the engine. Changing your engine air filter is a small task that can have a big impact on engine performance and longevity. For optimal engine health, it's recommended that the engine air filter be replaced every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Most engine air filters are very easy to change, requiring few or no tools and only a few minutes of your time. Top reviews from the United States. Great filter. A great filter, installed on a 2005 Dodge 3500 Cummins. Fit was perfect and the air filter seems to be well made. Replaced AKN. I know what you're thinking, but I am so tired of washing, drying, and oiling of filters. To be honest, I have not noticed a bit of difference. Great job, ECOGARD. This is going in all my rigs.